In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience on working with Palo Santo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. I do upload at least 3 times every single week, so you don't want to miss out. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my own experience using Palo Santo. Now, I haven't done much research on Palo Santo. I've never used it before. I've just only been using it for a while now. What I've been using is the Palo Santo chips. Now, I haven't done much research on it only because I wanted to experience it for myself. I wanted to feel whatever energies and feelings come up with Palo Santo myself. I didn't want to know other people's experiences, at least not until I started working with it myself. So what is Palo Santo? Palo Santo is known as holy wood, and it comes in chips, it comes in sticks, it comes in oil form, powder form. There's Palo Santo candles, Palo Santo incense, but I wanted to actually work with the real chips. So the first time that I burned Palo Santo, I did not expect the energy to be as strong as it was. For some reason, I feel really connected with Palo Santo. I feel really good when I use it, when I burn it. How do I use it? I burn it. And I want to share with you guys what happened. So the first time that I burnt it, the smell instantly enticed me. It grabbed my attention. I couldn't move myself away from the scent alone. It had a very strong pull on me. So it made me feel physically lighter. It felt like the Palo Santo energy, the smoke of it, penetrated through a layer that I had built for myself. Whether that was a wall I built around myself, it broke through a barrier to come to me, or whatever was around me that was preventing me from moving forward, it kind of broke through that and reached me. I also felt something in my heart area, my heart chakra area. I actually just felt something there, like an energy there. It just felt really nice. It felt like it was waking up and activating, not so scared, if that makes any sense. It was a very, very positive feeling in my heart when I burned Palo Santo. After a few days of burning Palo Santo, I started to notice myself. I started to notice the universe taking me places. I would get ideas. I would get creative inspiration. The synchronicity in my life was increased. I started to see a bunch of repetitive numbers. That was one huge thing after burning Palo Santo. And I started attracting things to myself that I would think. So let me give you an example. My mom went to Ross and she bought a set of Moroccan coasters, and they were so pretty. I fell in love with them, and so I went to a few different Rosses and I didn't find it anywhere. And all of a sudden, about a week later, she comes to me and hands me a set of the same exact Moroccan coasters. She went to Ross and she found it. So you see how I attracted that. It was synchronistic. I thought of it and it came to me. So that's something that I started noticing a lot with Palo Santo. I also felt my mind opening up, like the fog clearing, and just a lot more clarity in my thoughts. And I was able to just concentrate and focus more. Palo Santo almost puts me in a trance where I'm able to really hear my own thoughts and get ideas, become creative, become inspired. Palo Santo also gives me a lot of peace. The scent, the energy that it carries, the energy that it brings into my life, it's very peaceful. Another thing that this helped me do was get rid of a lot of guilt. I don't understand how that energy affected that aspect of my life, but it helped me to understand that it's okay to do certain things that maybe I was taught that were wrong, but it helped me get over that guilt and fear a lot. Palo Santo has helped me a lot, and I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about a few of the ways that it helped me. Now, if you guys have used Palo Santo, if you guys have burned it, worked with it, I want to know you guys' story. So leave me comments down below. This is all I have to share with you guys now, but I will be doing a Palo Santo video very, very soon about the benefits and uses of it. Because this is very quickly become one of my favorite things to work with. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.